Well, hey everybody, here we go with our Toyota Corolla. We got her all done. Take a look at that beautiful dash. All cleaned and degreased and wiped down. Took the steam cleaner and the shampooer to those carpets. Considering they've never been cleaned, they actually turned out pretty good. Got the dash looking good. Maybe those nooks and crannies. Check that out. Clean like it should be. No more skin oil, no more dirt and dust. Nice clean seats. The door panels looking nice. Yep, the window's up, just that clean. Now I left the floor mats in here just to show you how nicely we got those all prepped up, cleaned up. We got all that dirt out of there. Them kick panels looking good. All that time. I wish these people would come and see me every other month. That's how you keep your car looking good. We found our motorcycle rider here, riding off into the sunset. Headrests were removed and cleaned. Check this trunk out. Hey, that looks better without that in there, don't it? All nice and presentable. But just a little FYI here, folks. This isn't just for cleaning and keeping your car. Maybe you're thinking of selling your car. Can you imagine how quick it would go to a potential buyer when it's looking this good? Check it out. Dirt be gone. Shine be here. Well, everybody, we also did a quick polish on this car. I'm going to show you that in a moment.